Welcome back to Like Health. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of Moringa tea. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can transform your health. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 5 benefits of Moringa tea, including how it boosts your immune system, enhances energy levels, and aids in weight loss. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Moringa tea is renowned for its high antioxidant content, which plays a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid, help protect cells from oxidative damage, which is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, chlorogenic acid is known to help regulate blood sugar levels, making Moringa tea beneficial for individuals with diabetes. By drinking Moringa tea regularly, you can help reduce inflammation, boost your overall health, and potentially slow down the aging process. 2. Boosts immune system. Moringa tea is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that bolster the immune system. It is particularly rich in vitamin C, which is vital for the production of white blood cells that fight off infections. The tea also contains vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining mucous membranes that act as barriers against pathogens. Additionally, the high iron content in Moringa tea supports the production of hemoglobin, ensuring that oxygen is efficiently transported throughout the body. Zinc, another important mineral found in Moringa, plays a key role in immune cell function. Regular consumption of Moringa tea can help your body fend off colds, flu, and other infections more effectively. 3. Supports digestive health. Moringa tea can significantly improve your digestive health thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. These properties help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, alleviating symptoms of conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and gastritis. The tea's natural compounds can also combat harmful bacteria, promoting a healthier balance of gut flora. Moringa tea acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the digestive system and support liver function. This can enhance nutrient absorption, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive wellness. 4. Enhances skin health. The benefits of Moringa tea extend to skin health, making it a valuable addition to your beauty regimen. It is packed with vitamins A and E, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A supports the repair and maintenance of skin tissues, reduces wrinkles, and helps manage acne. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and pollution. Moringa tea also contains sulfur, a mineral involved in the production of collagen and keratin, which are essential for skin elasticity and strength. Drinking Moringa tea can lead to clearer, more youthful skin by combating dryness, reducing signs of aging, and promoting a healthy complexion. 5. Promotes weight loss. Moringa tea can be an effective aid in weight management. It contains compounds that can enhance metabolism, thereby increasing the rate at which your body burns calories. The tea's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce water retention and bloating, giving you a leaner appearance. Moringa tea is also known to have appetite-suppressing qualities, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing the temptation to snack between meals. Additionally, its detoxifying properties can help cleanse the body of toxins, which can otherwise hinder weight loss efforts. By incorporating Moringa tea into your daily routine, you can support your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Now that you have seen these huge health benefits of Moringa tea, you must know what is the right and best time to drink Moringa tea. In fact, there are 3 times you can drink Moringa tea to get the maximum health benefit. 1. In the morning. Drinking Moringa tea in the morning can help boost energy levels and metabolism for the day. 2. Before meals. Taking Moringa tea before meals may help digestion and control appetite. 3. Before bed. Taking Moringa tea before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality due to its soothing properties. As you have seen, Moringa tea, made from Moringa oleifera leaves, offers many health benefits. Drinking it daily can promote overall health because of its rich nutritional properties. It is full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that enhance immune function, support energy levels and improve digestion. For those interested in losing weight, Moringa tea can be helpful, helping to reduce appetite and support metabolic health, which may contribute to weight management. In addition, Moringa tea promotes skin health. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging and support clear skin. In addition, Moringa tea promotes skin health. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging and supporting clear skin. Incorporating Moringa tea into your routine can lead to these amazing benefits, boosting your overall health and well-being. Moringa tea can be suitable for diabetics, and it may offer several benefits for managing diabetes. Moringa leaves are known for their potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have indicated that Moringa has properties that can help lower blood glucose levels, making it a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. The tea's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects also contribute to overall health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are often associated with diabetes complications. Additionally, Moringa tea is low in calories and carbohydrates, which can be advantageous for diabetics who need to manage their weight and blood sugar levels. Drinking Moringa tea may help improve insulin sensitivity and support better glycemic control. However, it's important for individuals with diabetes to consult with their healthcare provider before adding new supplements or teas to their regimen, as they can interact with medications and affect blood sugar levels in various ways. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.